The Manure Tracker app can help you easily keep track of any manure applications on your fields while on the go. In this tutorial, we will show you how to get started with the Manure Tracker app. To download the app, go to the App Store on your mobile device and search for Manure Tracker. Download and install the app and open it up once it's downloaded. Once you're here, start by clicking on New Field located on the home page. Enter the field name and acreage. Choose Basic Field Type for a more simplified set of data parameters like spreader volume, manure source, and application method. Choose the Advanced Field Type if you want to record a more robust set of data including spreading rate, who the applicator was, soil conditions, and the weather at the time of application. If you want to import the applications into SnapPlus, you will need to use the Advanced option. Next, choose a manure type. You will have the choice between solid or liquid manure. If you chose the Advanced Field Type, you are also required to choose whether you used load size or spreading rate to calibrate your manure spreader. Now you need to set your field location using your phone's GPS, internet connection, and map application. Tap on the map and it will show your current location. Navigate yourself to the general location of your field by zooming and scrolling your map view. Tap and hold at the location of your field to drop the pin on your field. Click Done once you're finished. Lastly, you can add any notes about the field here if you'd like. Then select Done. Now when you go to the field list, you will see your new field listed there. This is the end of the tutorial on getting started with the Manure Tracker app. Watch the next video on the Manure Tracker app to learn how to start recording manure applications in either the basic or advanced options.